to our latest quick tutorial on searching neighborhood rent reports on the go by using Rentometer on your mobile device. In our previous video, we walked you through how to search rents around a specific address on mobile. Now we'll walk you through how to use Rentometer's neighborhood rent comp reporting to do a quick search of rents in your area. So let's get started. First, start by opening your device's web application and go to www.rentometer.com. For this example, we'll be using an iPhone X. Next, log into your account. To do this, click on the small box with 3 lines. You'll find the options to log in, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free trial on the pricing page. Once you're logged in, click on the Neighborhood Rent Search tab. Here, you can select your state, city, and neighborhood that you'd like to analyze. Next, enter the rent amount, or you can leave this blank. Then, enter the number of bedrooms, or you can choose our 1 through 4 bedroom summary report. If you're a pro user, you can access the pro features below the bedroom search. You can click on Show Advanced Options, and you'll be presented with the max age filter, building type, and finally your custom branding for the report. Once your search is complete, click Analyze Neighborhood, and there you have it. You have a complete rent report for your chosen neighborhood. A detailed map is presented to show the rentals in your area, as well as a list of sample rentals. As a pro subscriber, you're given more details about the listings, including size, dollar per square foot, and number of beds and baths. In addition to the best rental comp data, now you can access Google Street View for specific rentals directly from the Rentometer results page. Simply click the Street View icon to the left of the rental listing address. And don't forget, if you'd like to share the report with other clients or real estate professionals, you can click the Share tab in the top right-hand corner and enter the email address you want to share it with. Thanks for joining us today. This has been a presentation of Rentometer.com. We really do love all things rental data. You can learn more about us at www.rentometer.com.